this is Jyoti and you are in my little treat corner. I learned many recipes from cookbooks back in the 90s and this recipe was one which I learned from a South Indian cookbook. It's been 25 years and my family and I still love this chicken chettinad recipe, so I'm going to share the recipe with you all. For this dish, I'm going to use 1 kg of curry cut chicken and 1 large onion, 3 tomatoes, 1/2 of a fresh coconut, 10 to 12 curry leaves, 1 to 2 lemons and a bunch of coriander leaves. For spicing and flavoring, I'm going to use some ginger garlic paste, dry red chilies, fennel seeds, coriander seeds, poppy seeds, cumin seeds, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cloves, cinnamon sticks and green cardamom pods. First, I am going to chop the onions. It should not be very fine but should be of the same size. And I am going to finely chop the tomatoes. I am going to dice about 1 cup of the coconut and squeeze out at least 1 tablespoon of juice from the lemons. Finally, I am going to finely chop a 3/4 cup of coriander leaves. Now on to our spices. I am going to soak 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds in 1/4 cup of water and keep it aside for about 10 minutes. To make a paste out of our spices, I'm going to grind the poppy seeds with the water, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 8 dry red chilies, the diced coconut, a piece of the cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, 5 cardamom, 4 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and about 1/4 cup of water to make a fine paste. You can see that this has not become a paste because there is not enough water, so I'm going to add another 1/4 cup of water and blend it. This is the type of paste we need. So let's start cooking. In a saucepan, I'm going to heat 1/2 cup of oil till it is hot, but not too hot. I'm going to put the onions in and fry it till slightly golden. Now I'm going to add the curry leaves and the ground paste and saute till you see the oil separating from the masala. You can see the oil at the bottom of the pan, so I'm going to add the chopped tomatoes. Now I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and about 2 teaspoons of salt. Saute for 2 minutes. And then add the chicken. I'm going to saute this for about another few minutes. Add 1 cup of water. And 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Cover and cook till the chicken is done. Okay, the chicken is done, so now I'm just going to cook to dry out the water. Ideally, we should cook this without the lid so that the water evaporates, but since the curry is splashing too much, I'm going to keep the lid on. Once in a while, I'll open the lid a little just to let out the steam. Okay, now we can cook with the lid open. If you want a chicken chettinad with more gravy, then I suggest you stop cooking right here. But I want mine a little dry, so I'm going to continue drying out the water. So this is the consistency we are looking for. I'm going to add the coriander leaves. That's it, our chicken chettinad is ready to be served. You can serve this with rice, rotis, naans, whatever you like. I personally love them with puris, but it goes best with the Malabari roll parathas. You can check out some of my videos here And as usual, I'll be looking forward to your comments, likes, and subscriptions. Stay in touch, I'll be back with more videos.